Hey y'all, welcome to Stacys Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to cook oxtail my way. Alright, so I went ahead and I prepped my meat off camera. So now I'm just going to go ahead and season my meat. And I'll be showing you the season that I'll be using. First, we're going to go ahead and we're going to use some Mrs. Dash. Okay, so now this wonderful ingredients is mixed all up together. Smell fantastic. All I'm smelling is the garlic and the seasoning. It just smells fantastic. So right now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go over to our stove, which I have my pot over there on medium high. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and saute this. Come on, let's go. All right, so now my pot is ready for me to add my meat. Okay, so I already add my oil, so my pot is ready for me to add my meat. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my meat. You hear that sizzling? That's the kind of sizzling that you want to hear. That means that the oil is ready and hot. It smells so good. And not even done cook it and it smells good. Lord of mercy. Alright, so I'm going to leave this to saute for about 10-15 minutes. Once it's finished sauteing, I'm going to go ahead and add it to my pressure cooker with my veggie that I'm going to be cutting up in my pot that is already have, you know, most of the seasoning and everything. So I'll be right back when this is ready to go into the pressure cooker. Alright, so right now I have all of my season them. Cut up my tomato, my scallion, my sweet pepper, my onion and my pepper. So in the same pot that I season the meat in, normally I would go ahead and add all this season to it, but this time I'm not going to. Even though you can do it, but me personally, I like to add this at the end when my pot is simmering down. So what I'm going to add to this right now is some scallion and some pimento seed. And my pepper. Jamaica Scotch bonnet pepper, hot. and I'm going to add 2 cups of water. Maybe not so quite 2, but 1.5. And if we need to add more, then I'll use the rest. So this is what I'm going to add to my pressure cooker. Now let's go take a look at what my meat are going with. Ready? Come on, let's go. All right, my pot of simmer. All right, so you see that? It's bringing its own water. So we're gonna give this about another 5 minutes for it to continue cook down and saute. All right. Okay, so now I have it sauteed down to what I want it to saute down to. This smells awesome. I'm gonna go ahead now and add it to my pressure cooker. Alright, so now in my pressure cooker, I'm gonna go ahead and add my water with my pimento seed, my thyme, and my pepper. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add the rest of the water in there. So in all, we use 2 cups of water. Alright, so I'm gonna let this pressure down for about 20 to 25 minutes. Once I hear it start, you know what I mean, then I start timing it for about 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, so I'll be right back. Alright, so now that my meat is finished pressure cooking, I'm going to go ahead and add it back to the same pot that I sauteed it in. Alright. Get all that goodness up in there. Alright, so now my meat is tender. I'm gonna go ahead and add my tomato, scallion, sweet pepper, and my onion. Alright, so now I'm going to just mix that up. Okay, so in my oxtail, I like to add some barbecue sauce. That is my little secret. I'm gonna add some barbecue sauce to it. You don't have to. For me personally, I like it, so I add it to my oxtail. Then you want to add some ketchup. Again, you don't have to, but I personally like to add it to my oxtail. Alright, I'm just going to mix all that up. And then to my oxtail, I like to add butter bean. Oh my god, like yo, like for real, I wish you guys could smell what I'm smelling right now. This smells so awesome. So I'm gonna let this simmer now for about a good 20 to 25 minutes. After it reached my consistency that I want it to be, then I'll take it out, then I'll show you the finishing touch. Alright, so now I'm back to check on my oxtail to see what I'm gonna bubble up in my pot. Alright, yes. Murder. My oxtail smell good. What I say? I say good. Alright, so the gravy's starting to tick up. That's what we want to see. So I'm gonna let this cook down for another 10-15 minutes. Then I'll come back and show you the finishing touch. My Ross, I can't wait to eat this. And take a look-see. Oh wow. Yes, this is cooked down to the consistency I want it. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn my stove off. Wow, this looks so delicious. I can't wait to dig in. I'm gonna just go ahead and give you a closer look of my pot. Don't that look delicious? Yes. Hey, what's up? So now I'm back. I have my oxtail, my brown stew oxtail, some plain rice, and some veggie on the side with a glass of wine. Some wine is always good for the soul. So now I'm gonna go in and dig in because I've been waiting all day to dig into this. All right. Up. Like the meat is tender, it's falling off the bone. The taste is right on point. The pepper settling at it right. This is some good shit right here. Yes. Alright y'all, that is all I have for you tonight. If you like this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Please also subscribe. Now I want to hear from you. What would you like to see me cook next? Leave me a comment in the comment box below. Until next time, bye.